In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Finviz Screener for day trading. First, head to finviz.com, log into your account, and at the top menu, click Screener. The screener lets you filter the entire market quickly so you can focus on tickers with the liquidity and momentum that day traders look for. Start on the Descriptive tab. Under Exchange, choose NASDAQ and NYSE. These are the primary U.S. exchanges with the best liquidity and tighter spreads, which helps with faster entries and exits. Next, set average volume to greater than 400K. This ensures there's enough daily activity so your orders are more likely to fill without excessive slippage. If you want to narrow the list further, you can set market cap to mid. That optional filter steers you toward established companies that still move, while filtering out many thin microcaps that can be erratic. If you prefer a broader universe, feel free to leave that off. Now switch to the Technical tab. Set price above 20-day SMA to Yes. The 20-day simple moving average is a short-term trend gauge. Being above it suggests recent momentum is positive. Then set price above 50-day SMA to Yes as well. Stacking these two conditions helps align shorter and intermediate-term trends, increasing the odds that intraday pullbacks find buyers rather than failing into downtrends. Next, set average true range greater than 0.75. ATR measures typical daily movement, requiring at least 75 cents of range, helps ensure there's enough volatility to find actionable intraday setups without relying on tiny scalps. If your account size or strategy favors even bigger movers, you can always look for higher ATR values, but this threshold is a solid starting point. With those filters in place, review the resulting list. These are your potential candidates to watch during the trading day. Look through the tickers, check the charts, and note any clear levels like prior highs, pre-market ranges, or recent breakouts. You can click into individual symbols to see their charts and news, which helps you understand catalysts driving the move. Treat this list as a focused watch list, not a buy signal. Combine it with your entry rules, risk management, and a plan for stops and profit targets. That's it. By using the descriptive filters for liquidity and the technical filters for trend and volatility, you'll quickly surface stocks that fit a day trading playbook. Use this setup as part of your routine, refresh it each morning, and you'll start every session with a clear, data-driven shortlist.